Welcome to Manage Your Waste for the Summer, the podcast that's all about keeping Jamaica clean and green. In this episode, we dive into the fascinating world of waste management, exploring the importance of taking care of our environment. Joining us today are some incredible guests, our sanitation officers, enforcement team, and street sweepers who work tirelessly to keep our streets clean.
All right, so we have Maggie, Craig,
Driver Crichton.
Jacqueline, Joel. All right. So we're going to start with Maggie. So Maggie, tell us, as a sweeper, how do you see people dealing with the waste? What are some of the bad practices? What are some of the negative things that you see people doing?
Me not tell no lie. They not real. Then those not care. Cause you will see them just they just eat and then those done right where you sleep. So me go down the road and they come out and I say, when they not the street or so. When there's a cup and a food box and a tea cup put on. I garbage, then just dash them sweep out the garbage through what I lay in this and then just go and laugh on them going this and then they have cook shop waste. Then carry up put out on the road. So they say, no man. When they can't find one pin and put this in a. So I may have to know what pick up your me have the courage to myself say, come if I spike in this way. Yeah. Because through then was some don't come then put it if you take okay.
Yeah. And so we want to end the conversation that people are having that says, if they don't dirty up the place, it wouldn't have a word. I mean, when that is a wrong.
That's a bad idea.
Yeah. So Mr. Crichton, tell us now, as a driver, how do you see or what are the worst things you see happening when you go in the communities?
The worst thing we see in our community them now is all the people that dispose of their garbage, because they don't dispose of it properly. What them do, they not bag it. Even at the bin, you got the bin the money. People just come from outside and them house with them bag of garbage and just dump it in the bin like that. No, they're going to take more time for me clean it. Mm-hmm. And then the rat and everything get, so the people them, we need to come from a concept we know so well. A human being not clean it. A human being don't deal with it. And if they want to get a meter collection, if they remember when garbage, when we spend half hour to take out the bag to clear the bin. They have to spend 2.5 hours because man, they have to take out the bag and then half of the bin are loose garbage.
Yeah.
So if people them need, citizens need to bag them garbage.
Yeah.
And dispose it properly in the bin or the skip.
See,
And then, that mean, scatter over the place and
that's a clean.
harder to clean,
And we know the rain.
Garbage, man.
Yeah.
Fucking loose garbage.
Yeah,
And that cause the nastiness. And you see me? And the skip are full up and then control. Then I call say, you have a little shop where you sell you pick them and combine and a little sweet and a little sweet. And you throw them on the top now. And if you blow back out, on the roadside, plastic, so you don't need to really go in back for it. And when they take them garbage from the yard and then rake up the yard and then something and then throw in a garbage pan.
Yeah, so that's the leaf them and the...
And what I think I notice in the communities too. Next one I notice in our community. In our communities, they give the smallest child in the yard for the dispose of the garbage. Mm-hmm. The small one go there, him carry the crate and him dry, go down at the bin. Him can't lift it up and throw it to me. He just carry on the bin side and just throw it to over.
Yeah.
Everyone tie up and nothing, they just...
Stack here, just pay them money and then push the barrel and then go down at the skip, which is the one at Narwood, and then just empty it out and that's it.
Because over pit 4,
another man with a dead dog.
Me did that sometimes me have to turn up.
Whatever can't talk one time.
Me have to turn up and they watch him. I'm missing the next one they come do.
Yeah.
And when me look, me see him man just come, the madman just come and just empty it out. And I say, look here, you don't take up it, just come, take up it and put it back in there. So.
Yes.
So me say, when me then I give them the garbage to control it, and they not throw it in a way for you.
Yeah, citizen look for it's kids
And the unsung
people to give them to dispose it. Yes, but now I probably giving the unsung man 50 vote, but make see that him can't have the right to dispose of the properly.
Yes.
And the roadside plastic them, so they don't need to really go in a back for it. And when them take them garbage from the yard, like, and then rake up the yard, and then something, and then I throw in the garbage pan.
Yes, so that's the leaf. The leaf, them and the...
And one thing I notice in the communities too. Next one I notice in our community. In our communities, they give the smallest child in the yard for the dispose of the garbage. The small one go there, him carry the crate and him dry, go down at the bin. Him can't lift it up and throw it to me. He just carry on the bin side and just throw it to over.
Yeah.
You know, ever see them tie up or nothing, they just,
Stack here, just pay them money and then push the barrel. And then go down at the skip, which is probably the one at Narwood. And then just empty it out and that's it.
Because over it for
another man with a dead dog.
Me did that sometimes. Me have to turn up and they watch him. And me say, me see what you can
Yeah.
And when me look, me see him man just come, the madman just come and just empty it out. And I say, look here, you don't take up it, just come, take up it and put it back in there. So.
Yes.
So me say, when me then I give them the garbage to control it, and they not throw it in a way for them.
yeah, citizen look for it's kids
And the unsung
people to give them to dispose it. Yes, but now I probably giving the unsung man 50 vote, but make see that him can't have the right to dispose of the properly.
I say, him want to carry the bag. What you do with the bag? Him show you can want to carry back the bag again.
Yeah, but if you don't throw it out there already, find the bin. And by right, if you want the bag, you're supposed to find a way for bagging garbage. You give me bag it there.
The next thing I say to me is, you have some people where they drive with them car down, they live like iron shore, car again. No matter where they live like them, this is
one
far place.
So one pin is there.
So one pin they don't hear road car, they don't have sometimes they don't have certain things, or they don't have the time to go through and fill them bin, but they have in a them car. So they come out with them, put in a them car. The next thing, then reach at the dump site, then tap it, then throw it in there. And then drive and gone. Some of them are drive and go along and then just take it out of them car and throw it up and gone.
You know,
You still have for real.
me not put it.
Understand?
This one guy out of Fairview here, so he have a bag at that time, and he walk with like
I'm calling all of the garbage. I saw him.
Yeah.
Would I give him anything what me have?
I saw him too.
Yeah, me give
Yeah, man, he said, give me all of the garbage we have in your car. Yeah, man, true.
It's a smart team.
Yes, true.
Because him not
More than the people them. Like people them will dispose of
On the
people.
road, yes, true. We see it true.
me see him come and say any garbage.
Yeah, we
You
leave
know,
back.
you know. He say any garbage and he walk, you don't want no side traffic in the line to come out and
Any garbage?
People have just patient with and collection.
Yeah, those containers and
try
garbage until we get there.
And store try so on little bit. Me know it hard to really store.
Yeah, if you see the garbage, but you have to just give me a little time.
Give you a little time to take it for you. To come collect it. You understand?
and some things you can do it, what not have to go in the garbage.
Yes, don't put it in there. Like you season up your meat, for instance, Sharon, and your fish. You put it in a bag, put it back in the freezer.
Yes.
When you hear the truck come, you put it out.
Excellent.
Some people do that. You have citizens do that.
Really
You know?
Human feces.
Yeah, that's wrong.
That's wrong. Again, that's very often.
Up on the roadside.
Yeah, man.
On the Freeport
Very
side.
often. Very often. Up to this one in the past, somebody had dead him.
Me see,
Very
one
often.
the gas station over there, they say, me go and me look and me say, no, sir. Them are people that have no conscience.
And sometimes too, and only say
Right here on the newspaper.
You see,
Anything. And then just put it beside of the bin and then just leave it same place.
and some
then
man
I work
turn out like garbage too.
Yes.
Come here.